This paper was given to us, Ndị Obowo, by Ndị Eze Obowo so many years ago, when late Maga Ndị Eze was made Maga Ndị Eze of Obowo. Some age grades and communities were dragging who is older, who is not older. We decided to go to Ndị Eze Obowo. At that time, I think Eze B.O. Ihejirika, the oldest reigning king in Obowo, was their chairman then. He told us that Ndị Obowo has a way of doing things called order of seniority and how to sell kola nuts in Obowo. He sent us that a lot of people have been arguing on this, and on that, they jointly, Ndị Eze Obowo jointly wrote this out and gave it to Mmaagha Ndị Eze to be giving it to anybody that comes. He gave us a small written paper to go to Mmaagha Ndị Eze and collect this from him on behalf of Ndị Eze, that he will not give it to anybody without a written note. And this is it. For those of you trying to rewrite what Ndị Eze Obowo of the old, you can see it here. Eze Umulogo late that time. Eze Umuoke late that time. Eze Okwohia late that time. That is to say, the incumbent kings of Okwohia, Umulogo, Umuoke were not that time. And this, then you can confirm Eze Wadoka for Ehume. And here, these Ezes were the original 14 Ezes. The new autonomous communities have not been created that time. So now that we have new autonomous communities, they are still part of Obowo. What are they supposed to do? Queue in as the forefathers, elders, original 14 kings, original 14 villages of Obowo started, and not bringing in issues because of selfish or personal interests. The 273rd grandchild out of the 416 grandchildren of Eze Nwankwo Oweligwe, who had 103 children from 35 wives. Ekele m unu n'ụbọchị taa bụ abalị 29 n'ọnwa nke asaa